You might have been using your Shopify theme for a while now, and so you're in the process of looking for a new theme. You want to see what's out there, but it can be a little bit overwhelming because you're not sure where to look, you're not sure what to look for. And so I thought this video could be a little bit helpful to kind of see some of the nice themes that are out there, some of the features that they have, so that way you can see if these features are useful for your storefront, and can meet the needs of what it is that you're looking for. So a great resource to look for Shopify themes is, of course, the Shopify theme store, and these themes have been checked by Shopify. So a lot of the themes on here have support. If you download the theme and you need extra help, you need customization help, or you have any just questions about the theme, you can reach out to the theme developer and they can get in touch with you, and you have that support. So this is the theme store here, and we're just going to go through a couple of the themes that they have, break them down, and kind of see how they can be useful to you. So this first theme that I like is the concept theme here. And as you come to the theme, you can actually just scroll through and see what the theme looks like here. You'll notice that immediately they have these really nice banners here, with the titles, and this looks like a slideshow section so that you can actually slide through the different sections here. And again, they have another little slider component here. It's a really nice section here. If we go into, we actually view the demo store. And then you'll notice that a lot of these themes have different theme styles as well. So if you like this more dark brown theme, you can kind of test it out and see if that is closer with what you're looking for, or that grayish theme as well. So if we look at this theme here, we immediately see that they have this video banner here. Um, Really nice. They have the text sections here. It looks like you can actually tap through different slideshow sections, and then you have the text that fades in, which is really nice as well. Slides into the navigation menu. You have these custom sections here. You can actually hover, and it looks like you can see the product in real time, which is really nice as well. Um, so yeah, that's really cool. And then it looks like as you scroll, this text actually fades in. So a lot of these different parallax containers, which is nice. You can actually bundle different products here. I wonder if this is built in or they're using an app for this. Um, doesn't say here, but either way, that's a pretty cool feature here that you can actually um, have this bundle feature tied into the store. Um, Really nice sections here as well. So a lot of really cool sections here. They have a like little product page component here where you can actually choose the product that you want to have in the section, and then have customers purchase. So if you've tried to maybe have this in the past where you want customers to purchase a product right from the homepage, a theme like this already has this section built in. So you don't have to worry about building this into your store. A theme like this already has this built in where customers can immediately view the product and then add it to the cart, which is really useful as well. Um, Again, some collection sections here. I like this feature where you can hover and then see the product in real time. Um, and then you don't even need to get navigated to a new page. So it looks like if you click add to cart, it'll immediately add the product to the cart, which is useful as well. Yeah, so that's really nice here. Yeah, just a really another nice sections here. They have the about us section, testimonials. I wonder if this is something that you would have to manually type in, or could it connect to something like Instagram. Um, but again, that could be added in as well by a developer if needed. But again, a really nice, really clean overall section. So if you're looking for something clean, sleek, modern, this could definitely be a theme that's useful to you. And of course, you can go through it and kind of see the different features and see if it meets your needs. This next theme here is a very popular theme. I've worked with a lot of clients who've used this theme on their theme front. This theme is a lot of themes that when people are looking to upgrade their Shopify theme, they tend to go with this theme here. So it's very popular, and you can even scroll down, and I believe. Okay, so if you go here, you can see the reviews. So for all the themes, they have the reviews of the theme, what people are saying. So you can go in there and kind of see if people are having issues or what questions or concerns people have. It'll be in this review section here. So feel free to go through the reviews before you do purchase any of the themes. But if we go and review the demo store here, we can again see how this theme works in real time. So again, they have this video banner here. Again, they have the text banner. You can choose between the two collections here, which is really nice. This is a nice section as well where you can actually, again, choose between two collections. So maybe if you have some collections that you notice that customers go to multiple collections on the page. So you don't maybe have like one popular collection, you have multiple popular collections. You could use a section like this and feature all the different collections at once. Instead of maybe having them stack on top of one another, customers could just easily click through the new selections, which are the selections on the website, which is really nice here. And then you'll notice that these buttons actually update with the new collection. So that's really nice as well. And they have an image with text section here. They have a nice little component here. This slider component looks like this is a link that you click on it and it takes you to the product, which is really nice as well. Um, yeah, so overall, a lot of cool sections here. For this one, I'm actually kind of curious to see what the product page looks like. So let's just take a look and see um, the product page. Okay, nice. So they have the different product images here, product information here on this side. Nice. You can and see again, this is parallax. So as you scroll through, the product information actually stays static here or stays on the page, and then you can actually scroll and view the product images. So that's a really nice section as well. Customers can actually view the product in real time, and then as they scroll and they see how the product is used and they get more interested in the product, then they can simply add it and easily add it to the cart. So that's really useful as well. Another cool feature, you'll notice they have these product tags as well. Really useful and really cool as well. Again, nice little slider here, a nice little video component. Yeah, so again, some overall cool sections on the Prestige theme. If you like this more of like sleek, clean layout here, nothing too crazy, but very simple, very clean, the Prestige theme might be a theme that could be useful for you. And then finally, we have our baseline theme here. This is a nice theme if you have more of like a streetwear brand or you want something different that stands out. Um, you'll notice here that this is a really cool section off the top. You hover over and you have the product image actually populate here. So that's really cool as well. If you have again a lot of different collections and you want to showcase your products to customers in real time, because if you noticed before, a lot of times they'll just have the collection titles here, so you don't really see any items in the collection until you click. Versus here, when you hover, you already get an idea of what's being offered in that collection, so which is really useful to customers as well. So a section like this could be really useful if you have a lot of collections that you want to display. Um, and then of course you have this slider component here for the announcement bar. A nice latest arrival here. Okay, it looks like this is a slide. Let me see, it's a slider here. Okay, so they only have a certain amount of products here, but it looks like you can probably add more products and then it can have a slide in this section here. I like this layout here. It's very unique. They have the two collection containers that you can compare on each side. Again, more collection options. You have the logo containers here, review section, blog. So this is a very nice and different theme that stands out. Looks like they have some other styles as well. Let's see what minimal looks like. So the minimal looks nice as well. And the nice thing about all these themes is they have the different styles. So if you want to switch out between the various styles and see which style is best for you or which one you think would match well with your storefront, a lot of different styles to compare from. So we went through a couple of these themes here. There's a lot of good themes in the Shopify theme store. So feel free to check them out and see which one makes the most sense for your store. Now we also do have a couple different themes and theme components that we're offering as well. So the information is down as our bio if you'd like to check them out. Again, if you're looking for a new theme, if you're looking for some new sections, some new containers, these sections could definitely be useful to you as well. So feel free to check them out in the description below and see if any of these sections or any of these themes could be useful to you. Now, if you already have a theme in mind that you're looking to implement, but you just need help installing it into your storefront, maybe there's some other little tweaks or customizations that you want to make, please feel free to reach out. Be glad to help out, see how we can help out with helping you install your new theme onto your Shopify storefront to make those customizations or those technical updates that you need. So once again, please feel free to reach out and we'll definitely see what we can do to help. But once again, I hope this video was helpful just to see some of the new Shopify themes that are out there and how they can be useful to you. as you continue to upgrade your Shopify storefront.